trying K-pop Starbucks drinks and the BTS member service snack. Here's a picture of the drinks if you guys want to try yourself in your local Starbucks. I got the Stray Kids one.
I did 7, but I got a little technical difficulties and I forgot to say I wanted milk. So we got a banana milk.
Yes, sugar rising.
You want to try yours first before putting the banana up?
It's not bad. It's missing milk.
No.
It's really strong. Be aware, 4 shots of espresso.
But you're not 7?
I need that energy. 7 days a week, you know?
Yeah. It's
milk.
good.
Yeah. If you have 7 days a week plan, get the 7 days.
Stray Kids, top line. Top line! Not bad. Wait, hold on. It's the foam that's in the way. It's like sugar, yeah. Try it?
It tastes like milk.
Yeah.
Milk with sweet cream foam.
Yeah.
I like it.
It's not bad.
Yours is better than Brianna's. But I just got the full.
Yeah. Is it good?
Yeah.
Do you think yours is the best one out of all of us?
I like Stacy's better.
Oh. Let's try the banana milk. I feel like it makes sense. Jungkook, banana milk. Okay.
Ooh.
It's the tiniest bit of banana milk. I think because it's all the way at the bottom, but it kind of tastes the same. Get milk when you get the 7 drink. Tastes the same.
I love Stacy. The drink makes sense.
Yeah.
7.
I feel the caffeine.
Scratch that out. I like mine and yours and Brianna's.
Mine, Brianna.
How do you like that?
Priscilla's, mine, yours.
That's the K-pop drink section.
Yes. I would say try it out for yourself. Whatever's your cup of tea.
For someone who doesn't like matcha, it's good. Maybe I'm just biased because like it has strawberry in it. It's good.
I usually don't get Starbucks. I usually just get the snacks and the food and stuff.
I always get strawberry frappuccino whenever I go to Starbucks.
Try it with oat milk.
Or the cake pop, the chocolate.
Priscilla sent me this TikTok a long time ago. We're now gonna try the BTS members' favorite drinks or favorite snacks. V's favorite snack.
What?
Even fighting for the snack with Jimin, and you can tell that he really wanted it.
Oh, okay.
Why'd you let her open it? Cheers. Oh, like honey. Well, obviously. I love it. Taehyung, you have taste.
You guys have okay.
9.
9? Like, really? Okay. 7. Yay! Now we have Jungkook.
It even trended in Korea 3 years ago when he was seen eating in a Samsung ad.
Now look at his banana.
Oh my god.
They melt in your mouth.
Yeah.
It's like baby cereal.
Yeah, baby cereal. Very much banana. 7. They're good.
They're good. But when I eat them, if it's there. 7.5.
I would eat this if I was sick.
9.5.
Oh. It's good.
Go.
Definitely good.
Dimina with the
Jimin, I'm excited for this one.
Priscilla's not gonna stop munching on that.
It's like a little kid again whenever he eats these.
Mm. I was expecting a crunch. They're really soft. It tastes like the muffin.
Priscilla! Jimin!
I feel like I would get tired of them really quick. It's a quick, like, you don't want to finish the whole thing, but you need something sweet. 5.5.
I was thinking of 6.
Me too. 6.
Oh, we got whole bag!
Just onion polka chips. These
Cheers. It tastes like Pringles, the onion Pringles, but like in
And
chips.
those Lays.
In the Lay's, yeah. I would eat this with a Subway. I don't eat Subway, but I would.
8.
I was thinking of 8. 8 too.
They're kind of sweet too.
Look
Great
at her.
snack.
You should just give that as a 10.
It's a fan.
8.5.
I could see myself eating these when I'm stressed, which would be like every day.
You're stressed right now?
You were munching them like tomorrow. We got Jin.
I understand why Jin likes it so much.
It's good. I had it before.
That's a 10 for you then. Okay.
Oh. Yeah.
This tastes familiar.
7.5. Do they taste the same or different? Different.
It's a good balance, like between the honey and the butter.
These are obviously smell sweeter.
Kobe's.
Not a 7 anymore, it's an 8.
8.5 for me. Jin's are a 9.
9.
They're both really, really good.
Youngay!
I love these. A 10 out of 10. No, I tried it before.
He likes these the most.
Oh. Yeah.
8.8.
10 out of 10. I recommend 100%. These two, recommend.
Yeah, RM! Okay, listen. My parents you already ate it. They pretty much ate it.
RM was seen with the snack during a live stream, and I love that he just hugged it like his life depended on it.
I wonder how this will taste.
Never had them before.
Sorry, Namjoon.
Cheers.
10 out of 10.
It's the first time we had something spicy. Dude, I've never had these before.
Oh my gosh, 10 out of 10.
Skip now, please, before I start bawling. An 8. Or 7.
Sorry, Jimin.
Jimin's home run
I still love
balls.
you.
They're good. Just not the baby.
My
6? Really?
Or 6. June's. JK. 5th. JK's. Banana.
Kobe's onion chips.
Jin's. Honey butter. 4.
Kobe's.
Gin.
Yoongi.
I picked Yoongi's.
Namjoon's.
Yeah. Hey.
Second. Or top 2. I
The
mean,
honey butter chips by Jin. I mean, not by Jin. From Jin.
Yoongi's,
Obese. Chips.
the finale. Our favorite.
I picked Taehyung's.
I picked Jungkook.
Namjoon.
I recommend all of these. They are so yum, so bust, so scrumptious, yum yum. Basically finished these onion chips, and Priscilla is still munching on those.
I recommend 100%.
I recommend all of them.
Yeah.
Just try it. They're good though.
If you have a kid, these are good for your child.
Or little siblings.
Gatekeep these. Just kidding. Just kidding. Sharing is caring.
Thank you so much for watching. Try the snacks, or if you have tried it, I mean. Let us know how you liked it. If your opinion is different, if you agree, try them out.
More. Try new things.
Go to your nearest H Mart. Or Asian store.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah.